So I'm putting together this little basket with the pizza stone and all of this and a few other goodies. A theme gift. And these are things that are going to be around the kitchen for a long time. So here's what the pizza stone looks like. It's this is the large one, and it's heavy. It has nice grips here. And so the Pampered Chef Pizza kit actually came with pizza crust, everything but the pizza seasoning, this wonderful dough roller, this pizza crust cutter, and it's awesome. I bought one myself and recycled my old one because it couldn't cut anything, but this is great, and it's got a guard on it so your fingers don't accidentally get cut. Oh, and I almost forgot, the pizza peel. This wooden peel makes the whole kit official.